Welcome to Lolly Publishing, where we publish kids' books with heart. If you're an author or an illustrator, we want you to have the most success possible in selling and marketing your new book. Today in our book marketing series on how to use marketing tools, we'll be going over how to create a Facebook post. Once you log into Facebook, at the top of your feed, there will be a section where Facebook will ask you the question, "What is on your mind?" Here you can type in your text for your post. Once you begin, you'll notice you'll be able to add several different kinds of attachments. You can add photos and videos. You have the option to tag people who are involved with your post, such as your publisher or authors and illustrators. You can add special icons or emojis to show how you're feeling. You can also choose to share your location. This can be good if you want people to know where you're at for a specific event, such as a reading or a book signing. You can also host a Q&A where people can ask you questions. You can use this feature to answer any reader questions about your book or work. If you hit the three dots, there's even more options, such as gifts or hosting a live where you can directly talk to your readers and answer their questions in real time. After you're finished creating your post, you can simply hit post to publish it.
Here are some examples of post ideas you can make to promote your book.
To learn more about how to use Facebook and use it to your advantage in promoting your book, watch for our next video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. If you're not part of our Lolly Publishing family but would like to be, click the link in the description and submit your book idea or artwork. Thanks for watching and congratulations on your new book.